My name is Richard Burke and I'm offering to pay for one of my subscribers to have a free hair transplant at the Elithair Hair Clinic in Istanbul, Turkey, including your 2-night accommodation. So if you want to find out more, please make sure you watch this video all the way through and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. So this is my 5-month update of my hair transplant journey. I am filming this on location in Ishigaki, which is an island south of Japan, just off Okinawa. I'm on holiday with my family. This is my first holiday I've had since the pandemic, and obviously with my family because I've had 2 children in that time. And I just thought it'd make some interesting content rather than shooting it in my bathroom, which is I've been doing for the last couple of videos, which is quite boring. You can see the progress of my hair. For the first time ever, it's getting really quite thick. Lots of density, very strong hairline. Even with my hair wet, my hairline looks super strong. You'd never be able to tell I've actually had a hair transplant. And the redness is gone. The only redness I have is the sunburn, but I have a solution for that. I have a hat. Yes, this is what you need. You've got to be very careful if you've had a hair transplant and the sun is really strong, then you need to wear sun protection on your head, especially for the first 3 months, maybe for the first 6 months after having the transplant. I've got no scarring on the back, and this is after having 4,000 hair grafts, DHI FUE technique. So if you are thinking of having a hair transplant, do click on the link below and get a free hair analysis to see how many hair grafts you would actually need and if you're an actual suitable candidate for a hair transplant. That would be the first thing you'd need to do. You also don't need to be a footballer or a movie star or a millionaire to even afford to have a hair transplant. I'm just your average guy. It cost me 2,850 euros, and that includes the operation, includes the transportation to and from the hotel, 2 nights accommodation, the aftercare, the anaesthetist, because I have the deep sleep method. I was put to sleep for the first 15 minutes, so there was no pain when they injected the anesthetic into my head. That's supposed to be the most painful bit of the procedure. So if you're new to my channel, please have a look at all the videos. You get to see my whole journey from the very beginning of me getting on a plane, landing in Istanbul, having the transport to the clinic and the checkups with the doctors, having my head shaved, and the actual operation. I actually film it on the actual table, which is kind of crazy. So the whole purpose of me creating a YouTube channel was to educate and help you guys. If you're thinking of having a hair transplant, don't procrastinate too long, just do it. I'm so pleased that I've done it. For me, I'm 45 and my hair's been receding for a few years. And I've been talking about it and thinking about it and even joking about, oh, will I go to Turkey for a hair transplant? And I'm so glad I did. It was fantastic. It is the best place in the world to have a hair transplant. There are thousands of clinics out there, and obviously you've got to find the right clinic which is best for you. For me, I chose Elithair Hair. They are the biggest hair loss clinic in the world. They do over 80 hair transplants a day. They have the biggest team of over 300 medical staff, and they specialize in DHI FUE technique. So if you are thinking of having a hair transplant, please check them out. There's a link below and have a free hair analysis. It costs you nothing, and at least you know whether you're a suitable candidate and how many grafts you would need and what package they can come up with. On a side note, the other reason why I set up the channel was because I thought, hey, it's going to be easy. I'll be able to get over 1,000 subscribers and enough YouTube views for me to get advertising revenue to pay for my own hair transplant. Well, that was the idea, and it's proved a lot more difficult than it actually It's crazy. I think I've got about 700 views on one of my videos, which is great, and I'm very, very grateful. But I want to get to 1 million. That will be enough to pay for my own hair transplant cost, and it will be enough for me to pay for someone else. So that's my idea. So if you are interested and you want to take part, please subscribe if you haven't, please like, please share, please comment. If you do that on all my videos and watch this all the way through, then that will be noted and you will be entered into the draw. Obviously, the terms and conditions are one of these videos has got to reach over 1 million views in order for me to afford to do this. So the rules, if you can hashtag HairWeGo, hashtag Elithair, hashtag free hair transplant on the comment section. So yeah, that's my idea. Obviously, we need to get 1 million views if that's possible. It can only be possible with your help. So please, if you've not done it already, do what you've got to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and let's see if we can make this dream a reality.